Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood Cosmic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my water wheel project for my school. So here's the structure, and here's the spinning part, and this is the the barometer. So this shows how much voltage I'm having. So let me demonstrate it for you guys real quick, because I know you guys would like to see. So first you get your water, and 1 second, you pour the water on the water wheel. You put it on the water wheel, and it generates electricity. See? You see that? As the wheel spins, the faster it spins, the more voltage it gets. So yeah, that's my wheel. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please share this with all your friends so they know how this works too. I worked really hard on this. It took me a couple hours, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys left a positive comment and hit that notification bell for more science DIYs. See ya, fam.